how many good opportunities you've missed in your life just because you're shy? You have to sit up, oh. You have to be bold in life. Have you not noticed that the people who are successful in life are people who are bold? All the CEOs in this world, they are bold. If you want, employ the most amazing people on earth, but you have to be able to pitch yourself to people out there. I remember the first time I started doing my makeup business years ago. If I enter public transport, I will talk to the next girl. I will tell her what I do. I'll be like, hi, my name is Siaka and I'm a makeup artist. Just in case you ever need a makeup artist, just let me know. That was how I started getting my clients those days. From word of mouth. From me opening my mouth to tell them, then they will now tell other people they know. So you have to stop being shy. Market your business. Talk about your brand on social media. You're like, no, I want to be behind the scene. Why? Why are you hiding from the world? Just be wearing mask and be going out.